Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we are on location. We've got a brand new RV park right here in Pontotoc County, and it's Bridgemore RV Park. So we're going to walk around, take a look at all the amenities they have here, and wow, we got a beautiful sunny day, so let's get started.
Yeah, folks, just like Jeremy said, we are here at Bridgemore RV Park. It is brand new, literally brand new, but we wanted to kind of show you what the sites look like. They have 29 sites. Well, I'll just kind of point to them. We're going to start all the way down at the end as number 1. As they come up, you'll see that they all have a picnic table, and they do have a little fire pit right there. Of course, water, electric, and sewer. And now they're, like we just said, they are brand new, so their trees are just now getting started, but these are going to make some great shade as this goes along. Some amenities they have, like I said, they have 29 sites. They also have 4 primitive sites, and if you're interested in their pricing, they do have nightly, weekly, and monthly rates. Just get on their website, and we'll have that website linked down in our description so you can check their rates on that. Let me pan around just really quick here. Now for the kiddos, they do have some activities for them. They have got this really great gym swing set here, and they also have a little sprinkler pad, little water park over here. Now you probably noticed that we are a bit close to a highway, and we'll tell you about that. We are situated basically between the towns of Tupelo, Mississippi and Pontotoc, Mississippi. This is, and depending on which Google map you're using, this is Highway 278, 76, 6, or Pontotoc Parkway. Take your pick. It goes by all of those names, but this is a nice, convenient location.
And speaking of convenience, it is 30 minutes away from Oxford, Mississippi, and those that follow football have heard of the Ole Miss Rebels. So, and I know this year we have got some out-of-state schools headed over here. Y'all are coming to town, and you need a place to come with your camper.
Right, and like you said, it's only 30 minutes to Oxford. We've got some other information about how close we are to things, and we may put that in our closing remarks. So hang around for that. We want you to know all of your options here. Again, these are new. This is gravel. It's packed really good here. The sites are going to be very close to being level, and this is just going to be a good spot to stop. Oh, yeah. He's wanting to show you something.
Yeah, let's go ahead and show him the like I said, the water, sewer, and also they do have the 30 amp, 50 amp, and a 20 amp plug-in. So they got you covered here.
Right. So most anything you want to camp in, you're going to be able to plug it in. Again, I do want to emphasize that they do have some primitive sites. So if you're a tent camper, you can also do that.
And there's 4 sites
over there,
and they're right over there. So yeah.
Yeah. So this is really nice. It's up on a hill. So you've got some nice trees to look at out here. So it's actually quite pretty. They are working on a pond down here. Again, it's brand new, so they're still in the process of getting things ready and getting things built. They do have a bathhouse. It's got 2 separate bathrooms with showers in them, and they also have washer and dryer set up. So they do have a laundry here on site.
And they are dog friendly.
Yes, so you can bring your pets. Just make sure you pick up after them. To be honest, we live close to this area, so we have actually been seeing this construction going on for a while, and we were excited to find out that it is actually a little RV park, and it's going to be so nice and so convenient. And again, hang around for our closing comments because we can't wait to tell you what all we're close to.
All right, everybody, there's a sneak peek of all the amenities and the park here and the RV site. So we're going to tell you a little more information about this place, so go ahead.
Yeah, and like we said, it's still brand new, and so they're still adding some things and still working on some things. But just a quick recap, they do have 29 RV sites, full hookups.
Yep.
They do have 4 primitive sites. They have got, a playground and a splash pad area for the kids. I mean, come on, that's a big thing right there.
Yeah.
They do have restrooms with showers and a laundry area.
And free
Wi-Fi. I don't know that we have mentioned that anywhere else, but yes, free Wi-Fi. That's a big deal.
Big deal.
And we actually know the carrier they're using, and it is a great Wi-Fi.
Mm-hmm.
It really is. They do allow campfires here, of course, when it's not under a burn ban. Daily, weekly, and monthly rates.
Mm-hmm. So if you're working in the area?
Yeah, this would be very convenient. Just get on their website and look up those prices. We will put that website down in our description. Yeah. Now, places that you're close to. We mentioned Oxford, so if you're a football fan and you want to go watch the Rebels play, you're only about 30 minutes away from Oxford, so this is definitely not in the hustle and bustle of downtown Oxford if you've ever been hung up in that. Oh my.
Yes.
We're only about 10 minutes from Tupelo. Hey, you can find all kinds of things to do in Tupelo. It is the birthplace of Elvis. There's a Elvis museum there. You can go see his little house where he was born.
All kind of restaurants.
Oh yes, there's I mean, anything. You want steaks, you can find that. Great burgers. So you're very close to really good dining there. I think we're only 5 minutes from Pontotoc.
Yeah.
We're actually in Pontotoc County, but the town of Pontotoc is only 5 or 6 minutes away. You have access to a Walmart. There are some little dining areas in the downtown area, which is really cute, quaint little downtown. If nothing else, just drive through it just to see it. Now, if you're traveling through and you need a place to stop overnight, this location is only about 13 minutes from Interstate 22, so about 12 miles. So if you're coming from Memphis to Birmingham or in that general vicinity, this is would be a good place to stop if you need something.
And we'll have their phone number down in that description also.
Yes.
You can maybe call quicker than you can get on the website. So,
but we'll have that. We'll have their website. We'll even put their address and their email address on there, so you'll be able to get in touch with them really easily. Another convenience, we're about 2 miles away from a service station that does have diesel. So no matter what you're pulling with or what you're driving, if you need gas, there is a gas station very close. Some of the great things coming up in the area, like I said, if you just need a place to stay or if you're a vendor for a festival, Pontotoc County has a Bodock Festival every year. It's in September. Tupelo has an Elvis Festival that's coming, and there's just, even Oxford has the Double Decker Festival. I forgot what month that's in. I think it's in March or April.
Yeah.
If you know what it is, you know. So this is just a very, very convenient location to stay.
And also you've got the nearest lake It's Trace Lake.
Trace Lake, and it's not very far from here. If you like to play golf, Pontotoc Golf Club is, I mean, literally just get out here on the 4-lane and just kind of go around the curve and you're there. We're also, if you like fresh fruit and things like that, Cherry Creek Orchards is in the area, and it's a neat little orchard area. And for those who are in sports, if your kid runs cross country, and sometimes there are cross country meets there. Tupelo, New Albany is close to here. They have sports plexes that's going to have baseball, soccer tournaments. So, you know, if you're looking for a place to stay, definitely check this one out.
Yeah, and it's definitely worth having all full hookups.
Oh, absolutely.
You know, a lot of people don't like to go anywhere with you know, if they only have water or electricity.
Right.
So, well, anyway, I think that pretty well covers it, don't it?
I think it does.
And I hope to goodness that the wind is not, it has just picked up since we've been out here.
It's been very windy today.
And so if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, give us that thumbs up, and come out and check this place out.
Yeah.
Thanks, everybody.
Happy camping, everybody.